Binance Smart Chain or BNB Memecoins are going absolutely crazy. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial today how to trade, how to snipe these 100x memecoins and potentially walk away with a huge portfolio upside over on Binance Smart Chain. They have about $9 billion of volume in just the past 24 hours, so you definitely don't want to miss this one. Before we dive in, make sure you sub, make sure you like, and obviously check out GTG where we've been trading these memecoins, making tens of millions of dollars together as a group now for over 2 years. Check it out using the wop.com link down below. Let's dive in. So the first question we have to ask ourselves is, why would we want to trade on Binance Smart Chain or BNB Chain? Well, look at this chart. It's pretty simple. You want to be in tokens, or you want to be trading on the chains of the tokens that are going up. So this really reminds me of Solana early 2023 into 2024 when it went on this crazy run from literally $30 all the way up to $300. And Binance Smart Chain, or BNB, the token itself, has pretty much done that since basically the bottom of the cycle as well. As you can see here, $214, now over $1.1 thousand. So you want to be making money on meme coins, but then you want to be making money on the fundamental token at the same time. Now, obviously, the second reason is because of volume, okay? Wherever the trend is, you want to make sure that there's volume on that trend. That's a big thing, a big lesson that I've learned this cycle is if you're early to a trend, but there's volume supporting it, that is the huge upside that you can really face with meme coins, with NFTs, whatever it is that you're trading, DeFi, for example. But as you can see here, they've had over $9.6 billion of volume in just the past 24 hours. And this has been consistent, and if not going up over the past couple of weeks. So you still got a lot of early opportunities right now. So obviously, I'm going to talk through some of the strategies that you can use to trade meme coins, some of the tools that I use to obviously check the security, check the charts, okay, and where I actually trade. But we're going to dive in deep to some of those strategies very, very soon. But basically, within GTG, we're talking about meme coins all the time, whether it is on BNB, whether it's on Solana, whether it's on Base, whether it's on Ethereum, we literally have you covered. As you can see here, Nadia, one of our best meme coin callers over the past couple of years, has called multiple 100x's, like literally on multiple chains, is starting to look at BNB as well. So that's amazing. But as you can see, we had 4, which went absolutely crazy over the past couple of days. We also had this one, which launched literally in the past couple of hours, and it's already up to 2.6 million. So there's a lot of opportunities for upside over on Binance Smart Chain. Now, the best bot, and again, I've been using Pepe Boost for a long, long time, but the best bot is literally Pepe Boost, guys. As you can see here, okay, this is what it looks like when you do sign up. So if you click the link down below, there's an invite link down below on the YouTube description, or I've got it in on my link tree as well, which you can go to on my Twitter page or any of my socials. This is going to start the bot here. Now, you obviously will have to change it from Chinese into English. I've chatted to this team for literally the past 2 years. I've worked with them on the Sol one. I've worked with them on the Base one. I've worked with them on the Ethereum one. And now they have one for BNB. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like. Very simple UI, which makes it really easy for you and me to trade on this platform. And they also have a lot of cool settings, which we'll briefly touch on later in the video as well. But basically, it gives you an EVM wallet, okay? And now Binance Smart Chain is EVM, so you can obviously bridge some money from other chains directly to this wallet. I've already sent, which I'll show you just down below, some BNB tokens straight to this wallet from my centralized exchange. So again, whichever way you want to do that, you can send it from your MetaMask wallet, you can send it from your Phantom wallet, whatever you want to do, it makes it really easy. But sign up down below, guys. It is super easy to see. So when you get in, okay, it's going to show you this, okay? This is my wallet. You can name it however you want, okay? And if you scroll down, okay, you can change the name. And as you can see here, I just sent literally 0.01 BNB, which is quite a lot of money right now. It's about $20 US at this point in time, which is, again, pretty crazy, and why you want to be trading on something that's going up, because if the fundamental token is going up, that allows you to make even more money than you potentially might if that token is going down on other chains like AVAX, for example, or SUI, where the token hasn't really been performing as exceptionally as BNB. As you can see here, it does deposit, it does withdraw very easy. Withdraw BNB at any time if you want. You just click this and it'll allow you to withdraw. But yeah, you just send it like any normal deposit, guys. Click that address, paste it in your centralized exchange or your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet, and send the BNB tokens directly there. And as you can see here, you can withdraw it at any time. So this is my favorite wallet. And again, why do I like to use Pepe Boost? It's fast, it's reliable. They have multiple chains. I've worked with the team before, okay? But they also have this ability to trade Binance Smart Chain or BNB tokens when you're on the fly, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm traveling, so I want to be on my phone. I want to be also on my laptop from time to time. So this allows me to plug in on both the two devices at any time. I can literally be on my phone, out and about, get a ping from a nice meme coin, and get into that whilst I'm out and about traveling. So that's why I love using Pepe Boost. But yeah, more on that later. But again, same settings, guys. You can play around with the slippage with how you want to trade, okay, on the buy side or on the sell side. You can obviously allocate some sell side or some buy side priority fees. I like to keep it pretty neutral. Obviously, if you're looking to be a bit more degen in the lower cap space, you might need to flip these up a little bit higher, because it is a bit more of a battle to try and get your liquidity in early on those tokens. But yeah, any questions about this particular bot, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Now, that's what it looks like when you click it, so don't be afraid if that's what it looks like. Now, obviously, if you want to trade manually, which, again, I highly suggest, it's cheaper to do it on the Telegram bots. They're faster and they're more reliable, as I said, on your phone or obviously on your computer. Then you can go to PancakeSwap. It's obviously the main DEX that you can use. As you can see here, you can swap directly into Cake. You can paste some of the early meme coins. So, I mean, if we come over and paste the 4 meme coin into here as well, I should show you actually what it looks like when we paste it into the Telegram bot as well. So if we come back, have a look. If we paste the 4 token in here, it's going to reply very quickly. And that's what I love, okay? And we're going to talk about security in a minute as well. But as you can see here, I've got my balance right here. I'm currently holding none of this token. Am I in profit? Am I not in profit? Gives you the price, gives you the target, the current market cap, how many holders, okay, group buys, etc., has all of this stuff in there. They also have the links. Again, you can manipulate any of these settings however you want it to be. You have turbo mode, which we've discussed previously on Solana mode, meme coins, which is essentially just front runs your token buy. You have anti-mev, highly recommend that one so you don't get botted on your big buys. And as you can see here, you can manipulate those settings at any time. You can also set limit orders, which is amazing, okay? So say you want to set a buy order, you want to set a take profit, okay? You can do that within the app as well. And that's what I love about Pepe Boost. Literally, buy at a specific price, sell at a specific price, sell after a percentage price change, or buy after a percentage price change. So again, you can manipulate this in whatever way. And that's why I'm using it. It's a fantastic bot. But we're going to talk about some of these security trackers in a minute as well. And they can be used both on the website or obviously on TG as well. We'll click on them in a moment's time. But if you do want to trade manually with your MetaMask wallet, your Phantom wallet, you can obviously do it on PancakeSwap. Now, again, there are some other platforms like Photon that you can trade. But again, this isn't very user-friendly on your phone. You can sign up for that down below as well. I just prefer Pepe Boost because I can set limit orders. I can step away and trade on my phone at any time as well. But Photon does have it as well. But basically, a big reason why I use Pepe Boost compared to maybe something like a manual swap is because it does take time for these liquidities to be introduced to PancakeSwap, being the main liquidity provider on Binance Smart Chain. So again, it makes it easy if you want to be more degen on the newer cap side. Using the bot is a fast way to get involved. Now, a few things, obviously, do your own research. None of this is for financial advice, guys. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. But make sure you do check your due diligence, okay? Because as you can see, there's literally the same token made multiple times with fishy liquidity and all these sorts of things. So Greeny is great because you can also go there and track new pairs by clicking newest up the top, okay, and selecting age 1 minute here. Now, again, I highly suggest you go into your settings and you manipulate this in whichever way you want. So you can go to the filters, you can add a minimum liquidity. So let's say I'm looking for minimum liquidity at 10K. That's already going to filter out a lot of the noise and actually going to give me proper projects that probably have a higher upside potential. Again, it's not a flawless system. As you can see here, there's multiple rags as well, okay, as we scroll down in just the past hour. So make sure you do use some of the security checkers. Now, the best two that I've been using for the past year or so on Binance Smart Chain is definitely honeypot.is, okay? As you can see, this is what it is. You paste the contract address in there. It gives you a few of the social links or DEX tools or DEX screener, okay? It can take you directly to the Explorer, which is basically your blockchain where you can check it as well. And I highly recommend doing that as well because then you can, again, check whether it is legit and whether the bot is passing the tests that it is showing you. But basically the big red flags you're going to be looking at on Binance Smart Chain is the tax. Make sure there's zero tax on buy side and sell side. Essentially, if there is a tax, it means that you're going to pay a percentage tax on whichever transaction that you have. Okay, transfer tax, so obviously that's only if you transfer from one wallet to another. Basically, it's showing you the gas prices currently to buy into that and to sell that. Okay, is it open source? Amazing. How many holders are holding it? Can you sell? Yes, we've seen people sell it. Okay, have anyone not been able to sell? Zero. That's amazing. Okay, and those are the sorts of things. So that's the first one. The second one is obviously token sniffer as well, which we've referred to in previous videos as well. But they do have a bubble map here, which will pop up here in a second. Again, you do have to be a little bit slow with this, but as you can see, okay, basically you can see in this particular one, it's very much showing you the bubble map of what's happening there, the creator address way over here. So yeah, as you can see, this one has a score of 80 over 100. This is the Paulo one that we're just looking at, this one here. Okay, so again, you want to be careful because a lot of this probably is manipulated. If we have a look at top traders, let's have a look. Okay, this person looks like they didn't even buy any and they've sold 115K. So as you can see, there are going to be bundle snipers, there are going to be airdrop suppliers, all that sort of stuff. And this token sniffer did just show us that the bubble map does look a little bit dodgy. So again, be warned, be careful, do your own research. Again, trading meme coins is very risky, okay? It's at the absolute end of the risk curve, but because there's enough volume, because people are starting to catch on to it, this is definitely not a bad trend to be involved in. But again, as you can see here, you want to see as many green ticks as possible. If they start to have some red crosses over here, either get in and out of these tokens or avoid it completely, okay? And again, it shows you the top 10 holder possess less than 70% of so comply. So you definitely want to make sure that this is closer to 20%. If it is too high, then ultimately they control supply and they can dump on you at any time. But again, if you want to check this one more time, guys, you can come to the blockchain itself, paste the contract address, top right, okay? Come over to the side, check it yourself over here. If you want to dive in, you can look at the holder scan, okay? Click on the token, okay? And bang, you can have a look, okay? There's 2,100 holders. Look at the contract address. It's got a green tick here on the actual platform. And as you can see, if I want to have a look, token holders chat, and I'll verify this in a second. Again, this is just me doing my due diligence. So if we have a look, top 10 holders, let's see how much of the supply they own. They hold 23%. On the large side, okay, let's have a look. 25 top 25 holders own 38%. So again, you want to be making sure that you're checking all of this. You're aware of the risks. You're aware of the manipulation. You can obviously take some of these addresses and actually paste them in here and see, are they buying and selling other tokens, okay? Take a contract address here, or a wallet address, sorry, and paste it down here on the deck screen, okay? And you can literally go to transactions, over on the side, maker, paste it in there, and are they manipulating? So they bought. This person is in a lot of profit right now. So again, that's some ways that you can obviously check the security and the safety of a token. But if you have any questions, guys, that's how you can trade some of these early cap tokens over on Binance Smart Chain using Dex Screener, using Pepe Boost, and the bunch of different tools that I just showed you in this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I'm more than happy to help you out. But obviously, if you want to trade alongside some of the best traders in meme coin space and even futures, NFTs, airdrops, we literally have it all within GTG. We've been printing money and helping people on their crypto journey and educating you and them across the past couple of years. So I'd love to see you down below. Join us using the warp.com link. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.